back for round two. The first time I made Darcy's goulash, that video didn't get enough love, so I'm doing it again. Start with a pound of chopped bacon and cook it on high until just a little bit crispy. Remove the bacon and add 1½ chopped green bell peppers and 3 stalks of chopped celery. Cook those till they're soft. Remove those, then add 2 pounds of ground beef and a bunch of Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Once the meat is cooked and the fat drained, add the bacon and the veg back in, and add 4 small cans of Campbell's tomato soup. It's supposed to be 1 large and 1 small can, but Kroger was out of the big ones, so I improvised. Mix it up and let it simmer covered, and then boil a box of cremette elbow macaroni for 5 minutes, and then add it to the original pot with a little bit of the pasta water. Get everything nice and incorporated, and then cover and let it simmer. Next up is a loaf of fresh garlic bread from the Kroger bakery. Top that with some shredded mozzarella and bake it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Once the cheese is nice and brown, just top it with a whole lot of that delicious goulash. And it's gotta get topped with A1 steak sauce to be truly excellent. Then I went a step further and hit it with a little shredded Parmesan cheese. I love this stuff so much, that's why it's